What up, guys? Jake Fake here, and today I am going to show you my new dirt bike and all its features. Okay, so that's it right there. I'll give you a 360 view. We got everything we need: the dirt bike, a truck, a yard, a house, pretty nice house, and an iPhone 5S. Okay, so first of all, it's got Sonic on the front with the Honda, and on the side, and on the other side. So starting with this side, around the handlebars, we have the kill switch. That's what turns it on and off. Well, that's what turns it off. And then there's the front brake, or throttle, our Sonic, and then all our tubing, brake tubing and throttle tubing, and gasoline. Bottom we got a drippy thing, pile gas. So, and over here we got our gas tank, which we filled today. Well, I filled today. Yeah, I can fill my own dirt bike with gas at the gas station. Yep. So, yep. That. We got a nice leather seat, two-person seat. Leather. The bottom here, we got some mechanisms. We got the gas thing. So, fuel off, which will make it stop leaking in a little bit. And then get off and fuel on. Gonna make it start leaking again. Here's the engine. Here's the choke. Right here. Choke on. Choke off. Here's the chain protector. Muffler. Oh, that's hot, jeez. Sorry, guys. That was a hot muffler right there. That's where all the smoke, exhaust coming out. We got the seat, under the seat, and chain stuff. Let's go on the other side. My hand's still numb. Here is the kickstart. Oil. Put oil in. The gas flow. Foot peg. And front brake. So now let's start it up for you guys. Okay. Let's put the kickstand down. Make sure it's in neutral. Okay, let's stand it up. Pull out that kickstart. Okay, ready? Yeah, you turn it off, you just push this button, and it turns off.